Alright, this is just a quick video to show you how to use this futures net PL commission tracking sheet that I had created for me. I hired someone at Fiverr to do it for me. It's not designed to track individual trades. It's just designed to keep a running total of your balances and give you monthly totals as well. Everything triggers when you enter a date. So for most people, their beginning of the year, by the way, you'll want to make a copy of this because they're designed for 1 year at a time, so you'll need to use a new blank copy each year. You need to add that. So for most people, their beginning of the year, they need to put in a date here and a beginning balance. This should be the only time you have to enter a beginning balance. Okay, let's say you made a $500 deposit. This also tracks your deposits and withdrawals too, by the way. And no withdrawals. You'll notice right now how it's updating on the ending balance at $1,500. And you enter your gross PL. So let's say you made $500 that day. And your commissions and fees. Now the reason why I put commissions and fees into one column is I had this custom made for me. I do not pay commissions. So if you pay commissions, you'll need to add your commission fees together and put them in this column. So let's say you paid $10 on that. And you'll notice it automatically deducted it. It gave you your net PL running up here, your total commissions and fees running up here, your total deposits. Now, you don't have to enter your beginning balance anymore. It should carry over once you enter a date. Let's say on the 5th. So notice how to enter there. No deposits, no withdrawals. Let's say you made another $500. Paid another $10 in fees. And then you go to February. Let's see. And you notice how it just transferred over to automatic. Let's say you withdrew 100 bucks. You'll notice it completely updated that withdrawal. Let's say you lost 100 bucks. Again, it updated. And let's say you paid $5 in fees. You'll notice how it updated to $275. Everything up here, your running net PLs here, your total commissions and fees going, your deposits and your withdrawals are being recorded on a running total. And you'll notice it automatically switches over to the monthly totals. You have to do nothing on this sheet at all. It does it for you. That's all there is to it. I did not create this thing, so don't ask me to edit it because I have no idea how this guy built it. But I just wanted to give back to the community. I just wanted a way to track my PL running totals over time and the commissions and fees and deposits and withdrawals. So I hope you appreciate it. You have a good day.